Hi guys, Cooking with Dad here. Today we'll be making beautiful burger buns. Just add the listed ingredients into the bread machine. The water, the yeast, salt, sugar, the butter, the flour, and the egg plus an egg yolk. I chose to use a bread machine to make this because it's a lot less work. You can make this dough by hand or by using a mixer, but for me, the bread maker is the best. When the dough is complete fermenting, open the bread machine, gently deflate it, and remove the dough to a floured work surface. It's going to be a tad sticky, so use a little flour on your hands and shape the dough into a rough ball. Then your goal is to try to cut this into 8 equal pieces. If you have a scale, that's helpful because that'll assure a uniform size. Next comes shaping the buns. Each bun is going to be shaped into a round, and the goal of the shaping is to form a nice tight, medium tight round. You pull the dough over an unfloured portion of your work surface to take advantage of the friction factor, and then you put the dough onto a parchment paper, flatten it out a little bit to about a 3-inch diameter, and then cover it with a plastic wrap, or I use an old plastic bag, and proof it for about an hour. After it's been proofed for an hour, uncover it and apply a even coat of egg wash. The egg wash is going to give it a nice brown, shiny coating, and it'll also serve as a adhesive to hold on any toppings you want, like sesame seeds, poppy seeds, or the like. So you bake the buns at 375 for 15 to 18 minutes until it's golden brown. Remove them and place them on a cooling rack and before serving. So I hope you enjoy the hamburger buns, and thank you for watching. Check out cookingwithdad.net. Thank you.